I'm trying to tell you, if you know the science of how it works, you can make money by trading options. Options trading के लिए, you need to look at the prices of options. You need to look at KST indicator. साथ में, if you can combine it with Bollinger Bands or Ichimoku Cloud, it can be a classic tool for you. If you want to make that multiplier effect by trading options, you need to know what big people are doing, what big traders are doing. इससे हम छोटे नहीं हो जाते, हम smart हो जाते. Okay, many people say, I don't have to see the big players activity, I can do it on my own. Please do it. I am not denying you can't do it on your own. What I am saying is, if you have the luxury of knowing what are these big players doing, why not know it? Is that information wrong? No, I'm not complicating it. I'm simply trying to tell you, if you have an option of driving a Ferrari, why settle with Maruti? Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell you. And to drive a Ferrari, you need an Elliott wave. So ऑप्शंस के बारे में मैंने बात की. सो एसेंशियली ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग यूजिंग टेक्निकल एनालिसिस जो हम करने वाले 15-16 ऑफ अप्रैल को, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी अबाउट लुकिंग एट दिस बिग प्लेयर्स एक्टिविटी, अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग कहां पर मार्केट से पैसा बन सकता है, विच आर द 5 ट्रेड सेटअप्स फॉर ऑप्शन बायर्स. सिंपल क्लासिक ट्रेड सेटअप रूल्स मैं आपको दूंगा जो आपको खाली फॉलो करना है religiously with discipline. That's what I'm going to do. लेकिन options को Elliott wave के साथ क्यों combine करना चाहिए? Let me explain something about Elliott wave now. So Elliott wave is something I've been passionate about. I've been trading markets for 2 decades, practicing Elliott wave for nearly 15 years now, I suppose. And it is one tool that I have never ever given up. ठीक है, मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें की, बहुत सारी चीजें छोड़ दी, लेकिन Elliott wave I have never given up. So when I say Elliott wave, I am saying Neo wave. Both are interchangeable for me because Neo wave is more refined way of Elliott wave with more rules that we have in Neo wave, and it has patterns like diametric and other things. So it is more objective compared to Elliott wave, but it's fine. It's interchangeably I am using. Now, if you have a GPS, like I say, Elliott wave is the GPS of the market. You draw a path basis of your GPS. Now you have to just check if market is moving as per the GPS or market ka mood change ho gaya, it's trying to deviate. You know now how it has to go. So if you have that blueprint ready, don't you think trading options will become much easier? So it's very important for you to understand that Elliott wave, Neo wave, along with time cycle becomes a forecasting tool. Explaining you it is possible to trade scientifically only if you know how to put a stop loss, where to put a stop loss on an option chart, and what should be your target, how to take profits, how to ride the trend, how to look at big players activity. You have to know that. What is happening around is very important. You need to be alert. See, now how do you derive such kind of time forecasting, wave forecasting, and how do you trade option is everything that I'm going to talk about in Become Market Wizard or the BMW program that